रेकार्डिंग् आरम्भं कृतवती कापि वदतु प्रार्थनां वदतु अस्तु वा
Modi, again I have forgotten to write that, so the part of it you do.
Okay.
Akratunda Mahakaya, Surya Samaprabha, Nirvignam Kurume Deva, Sarvabhagya Sarvada, Saraswati Namastabhyam, Rade Kamarobadi, Vidhyarambam Karishyami, Vidhar Bhaudume Sada, Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Asmai Sri Gurave Namaha.
louder please a little louder.
Sahana Bhavatu, Sahana Bhunaktu, Sahaviryam Karavavahai, Tejasvinavadhidamastu ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं संस्कृतस्य प्रसाराय नैजं सर्वं ददाम्यहं संस्कृतस्य सदा भक्तो वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं संस्कृतस्य कृते जीवन संस्कृतस्य कृते यजन आत्मानम् आहुतं मन्ये वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे गुरुनैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोर्मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो येनाक्षरसमाम्नाय अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः येन धौता गिरः पुंसां विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः तस्माच्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः अज्ञानान्धस्य लोकस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै पाणिनये नमः वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्
अस्तु अत्र येनाक्षर समाम्नायम् अधिगम्य समाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात्
येनाक्षर
and then the next slokam was अज्ञानान्धस्य लोकस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः. What was another slokam was, what was the second one? येन दौता गिरः पुंसां विमले शब्दवारिभिः तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नम्. Just read it.
तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नं
तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः. अस्तु वा तदेव भवति. इदानीम् अस्मिन् वर्गे द्वे सन्धिं पठामः वयम्. अस्तु वा दृश्यते वा?
न महोदय
न महोदय न इदानीं दृश्यते वा?
दृश्यते.
अस्मिन् वर्गे वयं ङमुडागमसन्धि इति एकां सन्धिं पठामः. पुनरावर्तनं करणीयं वा? पूर्वं न सर्वं जानाति किल? अस्तु अतः भवती पठतु सुशीला महोदय. दृश्यते न?
यदा पदान्ते स्वरात् परे Nga, na, na ityete varnaha bhavanti.
Mm.
Tebhyascha. Nga, na, na इत्येतेभ्यः वर्णेभ्यः यदि स्वरः परो भवति तदा ङ न इत्येतेभ्यः परे ङ न इत्येते वर्णाः क्रमेण आगमनं भवति।
सन्देह नाम पठतु। ओ, दृश्यते न?
आम् आम् आम्
पठतु।
ङमुढागम
इदानीं पुनरेकवारं पठतु।
गमुढागम सन्ति यदा पदान्ते
ह्रस्वस्वरात् परे
परे ङ न इत्येते वर्णाः भवन्ति। तेभ्यः इत्येतेभ्यः वर्णेभ्यः यदि स्वरः परो भवति तदा इन् इत्येतेभ्यः परे इत्येते वर्णाः क्रमेण
आगमः। अत्र पश्यतु, अत्र आगमः means it is not replacing. That in addition to what is already there, that also comes. That is why mitravat agamaha. शत्रुवत् आदेशः मित्रवद् आगमः। अतः पदान्ते अस्य नियमः के इति पश्यामः चेत्, यदा पदान्ते ह्रस्वस्वरात् परे एकं पदमस्ति, पदे अन्ते अस्ति, परन्तु तस्मात् पूर्वं ह्रस्वस्वरः भवति, उपधावर्णः ह्रस्वस्वरः। The penultimate letter is a ह्रस्वस्वर। अस्तु वा? अनन्तरं एते भवन्ति ङ एण्ड् अन्। तत्र परवर्णः इङ् एण्ड् एन्, परवर्णः स्वरः। So you have three rules are there. So the Purva Varna, it should be ending with ing and n. And also the penultimate letter should be a Hrasvaswara. There are two rules for the Purva Varna. And for the Paravarna, Paravarnaha Swaraha Bhavati. When all these three rules are complied with, what you get ing and n. That is, what is the पूर्ववर्णस्य अन्त्यवर्णं किं भवति इङ् इण् एन् इति भवति किल, तदेव पुनरेकवारम् आगच्छति, आगमः तत्र. That means the original is also there. Original पूर्ववर्णस्य पदान्तवर्णः अपि भवति, परवर्णस्य प्रथमवर्णः अपि भवति. In addition to that, you get an agama. That agama is just a repetition of the पूर्ववर्णस्य पदान्तवर्णम्. That is repeated. In Tamil also, when you write, you get that, that it and all, it comes in between. When those letters, words are joined. So the same manner. So the same thing is, it comes another time. It comes punara agachati agamaha tatra. It does not replace. The original letters are also there. This is in addition to the original letters. Tateva tatra आगमः इति तत्र उच्यते. So उदाहरणं पठतु भवती पठतु.
This is only for these three letters or
yes,
all
yes.
the five
That is why
okay.
There is only these three letters only. अस्तु वा? उदाहरणं पठतु, then you will understand it better.
Okay. Sugan plus ईशः सुगाणीशः.
अत्र पश्यतु, सुगण ईशः इति अस्ति. Sugan. First rule is the antyavarnam of the Purvapada is Nakaram. That is satisfied. And then Upadavarnam is Hrasva Swaraha. So the penultimate letter is as a Hrasva Swara. Su is U, ig plus a plus in. A iti Hrasva Swaraha. So an iti bhavati tatra. Then Ishaha, the first varna of this second letter is, second word is Swaraha. Ishaha. Atra kim bhavati Sugan Ishaha. So that Nakara is, sorry, I don't know, this thing is not working. Nakara is comes for the second time. Astu va? Sugan Ishaha. And then read the second one.
Tan plus atra, tan atra, double na.
Yes, tan atra. Ta, it plus a. So the penultimate, upada varna is swaraha. Anantaram, ante, in iti asti. Then the paravarna.
It should be Hrasva only, no, Mama.
Yeah,
It
that
is a
is what I
dirgha,
wanted to
no?
ask.
Oh.
Here, tan is
So,
dirgha.
that is the dirgha. So, tan atra iti tatra bhavati. Tatra kim dattam asti tatra?
Tan plus atra, no answer is given.
No answer. So, man nama kim dattam asti tatra?
Taha sandhi. Man nama, man plus nama here. Ma is
So, tan atra iti kim bhavati? Tan atra ityeva bhavati. Tan natra iti na bhavati. Yatah hrasvaha na. Man nama tatrapi, that is actually mat nama, then it becomes man nama. So that is what sandhi is that? Nam.
This is Yamana Sambandhi only because ma is ma.
No, mat, that is actually mat nama. So it is
then Savarna, that Purva Savarna, Para Savarna.
No. This is say. I'm just, I can show.
Yeah, that tha has become na, no?
Ta has become na. That is Anunasika Sandhi. That is Anunasika Sandhi.
Oh.
Anunasika Sandhi.
But how Anunasika?
How Nana? Because
It becomes the last letter.
The second word is starting with nga, nya, na, ma. So, mat nama. So that ta becomes na, man nama. Anuswara Sandhi, you go and look at it again. You will know. That is Anuswara Sandhi. Tanatra iti, tatra kimapi na bhavati, tanatra. In plus becomes na, isn't it? Swara plus, Vyanjana plus swara.
Mahodaya, in Anuswara Sandhi, the dot has to come, right?
No. Anunasika. I'm not saying Anuswara. I said Anunasika.
Okay.
So the Anunasika varnam, nama, see, this man nama iti tatra, mat plus nama iti bhavati. The second word starts with na, which is Anunasika varna. The fifth varna of each gana, isn't it? Astuva?
Yes.
So, ta, dha, na. Iti tasya panchama varna. Ataha mat nama becomes this, the same, that comes there. That mat becomes man nama. Especially in shlokas, you will find all this. So you have to, it will be written separately, but while this thing you have to pronounce it like that, especially in shlokas and Veda mantras and all. This tatrapi agachitina. Sahana otu, sahana bhanaktu, saha viryam karavavahe. Viryam plus karavavahe. That is Anuswara is there. But saha viryam karavavahe, then it becomes viryam karavavahe. So like that it becomes. Astuva? So that makara becomes the Anunasika varna. Tadeva. So next. चित्रा महोदय भवती पठतु.
महोदय नमस्कारः महोदय.
नमस्कारः.
ह्रस्वस्वरः पदान् प्लस अधिकं पदान्ते न न न प्लस स्वरः अच् समान न ण न आगमः अधिकं अच्. उदाहरणानि गच्छन् प्लस अस्ति. गच्छ अधिकं नकार अधिकं अ अधिकं स्ति समानं गच्छ गच्छ अधिकं नकार अधिकं अ अधिकं स्ति समानं गच्छन् गच्छन् अस्ति.
I don't know, my this thing is that arrow is not going, so I'm not able to. Now it is going. Atra pashyatu gachan iti asti. Drishyate na, my arrow you are able to see.
Yes.
Gachan. So atra gaccha iti asti. Gaccha iti kim ga ich plus a. Hrasva swaraha. Astu va gachan plus asti. Atra nakaraha. This is the first rule. Then this is the second rule, or you can say this as the first rule. The upada varna should be a hrasva swara. So atra upada varna kaha akaraha, hrasva swaraha. Then the padanta varna is nga, na, arna. Atra na, in. Then paravarnaha swaraha. So all the three rules are met. All the nemas are satisfied. Hrasva swaraha anantaram nga na na itesham kimapi varna kopi varnaha anantaram swaraha. Atra any swara, anything. Parantu atra hrasva swaraha eva bhavitavyam. Astu va? Gachan asti becomes gachan asti. This is agama. This is not adesha. Agama is additional. This is also there. This is retained. This is retained. This is retained. In between, you get this as additional. Gachan asti. So this in plus a becomes na. So gachan asti. Astu va? Chitra Mahoday bhavati vadatu.
Ekasmin plus ambu.
Atra bhavati vadatu. What are all the three names that are fulfilled? What are the letters that fulfilling the names? The upada varnam. What is the upada varnam? The penultimate varna of the purva padam. What is that? Ekasmin is the first word, no? Now, what is the upada varnam?
Ekasmin is first word. Eka plus as.
See, you have to look at the penultimate swara, penultimate word, and see whether it is a swara.
Hrasva swara.
So, no. So, what is the penultimate swara there? Ma, no. Penultimate swara is ikaraha. Ekasmin. Im plus e.
Ekasmin. Okay. Ikara.
Ekasmin. Atra pashyatu. Eka is min. This me, this is what you have to take. The penultimate letter is me. What is me comprised of? Me is made of M plus E. Ma, plus E. Astu va? Plus E is me. Correct, no?
Yeah.
So that is hrasva ikara. Hrasva ikara at paraha nakaraha bhavati. Then anantaram paravarnaha akaraha swaraha. Kopi swaraha bhavet. So there is no, only it has to be a swara. But only here it has to be a Hrasvaswara, the penultimate. Penultimate is called Upadha in Sanskrit. The last but one. Those two conditions have to be met here. The first word, Purva Padam, these two conditions have to be met. Isn't it? Penultimate has to be Hrasvaswara. Then the last letter should be Nga, Na, one of them.
Yeah, got it.
Then the Paravarna has to be any Swara. Any Swara, Hrasvaya, Dirgha, doesn't matter. Any Swara. So then what becomes? This Na becomes a Agama. You get Ekasmin Ambu.
Okay.
Ekasmin Ambu. So Atra Prashatu Eka. I'm just the Upada letter only I'm trying to break for you because it is not typed in this chart, I think. It is not typed. So I'm trying to tell you. Ekasmin iti. The Upada Varna is me. Im plus E. Im plus E plus in. Anantaram A bhavati. Ataha minna. Ekasminnambu. Astu va? So
Got it.
these three you have to look at.
Yeah.
Because this is a compound letter, you got confused. Ekasmin, whether you said by mistake, akara iti. Atra akara na, ikara. Hrasva ikara. Im plus E. Astu va? So now on the basis of it, look at the. Atra pashitu.
Bhagavan plus Asman.
What is the Upada Varna letter? What is the penultimate letter?
Purva Padam Antaram. Na. That Na is there. Then
The first.
Akara is there.
No. Paravarna Akaraha. This Purva, this Nakaraha, but one more thing has to be fulfilled. No, what is that?
I'm telling Mahodaya. Va is Hrasva A sound. Hrasva Va.
So you break it. You break it and tell me what is Va made of? Va is made of if plus A.
Va, yeah, if plus A.
That is what I want you to tell me. Okay, you understood. If plus A. We need not break all the letters. We just look at the Upada letter. That only we will break because it is not typed here. If it is typed here, we can read it out. It is not typed here. So I am asking you. So this is if plus A. So Hrasva Swaraha. Anantaram Nakaraha. So that satisfies the condition for the Purva Padam. Then for the Uttara Padam, you have to have any Swara. Any Swara. It is immaterial Hrasva Dirgha. That is so Bhagavan Asman. So the Nakara becomes an Agama. You have to remember Atra Agamaha. It is additional to what is already there. It does not replace. Replace means something is gone from the previous one and something has come in the place of it. But here, all the letters of the previous words are also there. And this is in addition. In between the two, you are joining. Okay? Bhagavan. So what will be the answer?
Bhagavan Nasman.
Bhagavan Nasman. Adeshaha Nakaraha eva bhavati. Tana. This Bhagavad, this is originally it was Bhagavad. That is a different thing. But this word Bhagavan iti atra padam dattamasti kila. We will look at it and then we will go. When we are doing the Padachedam, then that time you will understand more. So atra Bhagavan Nasman. Atra pashitu Bhagavan Nasman. There are two nakaras. Vyanjanam, Bhagavan Nasman. So the second one combines with the A and becomes Na. So this Na has not gone away anywhere. It is joined with this N. So all the previous letters are also there. And this Nakara is a additional Agama. Astuva?
Yeah.
So now fourth one you tell me. Hasan Umapatihi.
Hasan Adhikam Umapati. So is plus A.
Okay, is plus A. So Hrasva Akaraha.
Hrasva. So Hasanu मापतिः हसन्नु
हसन्नुमापतिः हसन्नुमापतिः
in plus u nu
हसन्नुमापतिः अस्तु वा
कुर्वन् अधिकम् एव इर्व iv plus ir plus iv plus a.
You forget about the ir. We are only looking at the upada, the penultimate letter.
Yeah.
If va
plus
is made of if plus a. Astu va? So that condition is fulfilled. Kurvan. Then the last letter is nakaraha. Kurvan. Then swaraha. So what it becomes?
Eva is swaraha. Swara. So kurvanneva. 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 Kurvaneva.
Kurvanneva. There are two nakaras there. Kurvan, the nakara of this, and one more nakara has come, which combine nakara venjanam, which combines with the ekara, becomes ne. Kurvanneva. This a has not gone anywhere. It is there.
Additional. We have to do.
So this neva is there, no? That ne is nothing but in plus a. Understood, no? Okay.
Yeah, got it.
Now, next one. Veena Mahoday, bhavati patatu.
यमुडागम संधिः कोष्टकम्
Ngamudagama sandhi. Ka, kha, ga, ga, nga. Panchama varna of the kavarga. Panchama varna. Ngamudagama
कोष्टकम् पूर्ववर्णः ह्रस्वस्वरः प्लस पदान्ते ग परवर्णः स्वरः अच् परवर्णात् पूर्वम् आगमः यम् प्लस अच् ह्रस्वस्वरः प्लस पदान्ते न इन् प्लस स्वरः इच् इन् प्लस अच् ह्रस्वस्वरः अधिकं पदान्ते इन् अधिकं स्वरः अच् in plus h.
In plus h. So, atra pashyatu sandhim karotu. Atra kim bhavati?
Asminneva.
Asminneva. Asmin. Then one more nakara, venjanam, combining with a, it becomes ne. Asminneva.
Asminneva.
Asminneva. Anantara madatu.
Pratyang plus atma. Pratyangatma.
Pratyang. This remains the same. The Purva Padam, it remains the same.
It remains.
So,
and twice you will have.
The Agama combines with the Swara of the second Paravarna. So, combines with the Paravarna and it becomes Ngatma. Atra Pashyatsu. This Agama combines with A, it becomes Neba. Like that here it becomes combines with Atma, it becomes Ngatma, Pratyangatma. So this, the Purvapadam remains the same. So when you write that, you write it, Pratyang. So that ing plus A becomes Nga. Astu va?
Likhan plus asti. Likhan asti.
Likhan asti.
Pachan adhikam asti. Pachan asti. Tapasvin adhikam ehi. Tapasvinnehi. Tiryang adhikam atra. Tiryangatra. Anichan adhikam api. Anichannapi.
Anichannapi.
Rudan adhikam ayataha. Rudannayataha. San adhikam avyayatma. Sannavyayatma.
So, Sandhi Vichedam karotu. Sushila Mahoday, bhavati pattu.
Tasmin plus adhikam iti.
Tasmin plus
Adhikam iti.
adhikam iti. Good. Tasmin iti. Anantaram.
Kasmin adhikam iva.
Kasmin iva.
Swamin adhikam eva.
Swamin adhikam eva. Good.
Sharman adhikam adhihi.
Sharman adhikam adhihi. Good.
Patan adhikam agachati.
Patan agachati. Patan plus agachati.
Sarvasmin adhikam api.
Sarvasmin adhikam api.
Tasmin adhikam etasmin.
Be a little more louder, Sushila Mahodaya. Your voice gets.
Tasmin adhikam etasmin.
Tasmin plus etasmin.
Swasmin adhikam eva.
Swasmin adhikam eva.
Aparasmin adhikam oshade.
Aparasmin oshadeva.
औषधे औषधे
ओषधे इति भवति चेत् अपरस्मिन् नोषधे इति भवेत् परन्तु तत्र अपरस्मिन् औषधे इति दत्तमस्ति so you should be able to recognize the paraswaram अत्र अस्तु वा
no Mahodaya, I wanted to know the word aushade is there or oshade is there. Both
aushadam is also there. Aushada is medicine. Oshadi is
also medicine, right?
That is also medicine. Oshadi is also refers to the ocean also. Okay. Asmin, aparasmin, aushade.
Aushade.
Chitra Mahodaya, bhavati श्लोकं पठतु. पठतु. म्यूट् मध्ये अस्ति भवति. चित्रा महोदय म्यूट् अन्म्यूट् करोतु.
युञ्जन्नेवं सदात्मानं योगी नियतमानसः शान्तिं निर्वाणपरमां संस्थामधिगच्छति.
पुनरेकवारं इदानीं सन्धिच्छेदं कृत्वा पठतु.
एवं सदात्मानं योगी नियतमानसः शान्तिं निर्वाण परमा मत्संस्थापम् अधिगच्छति.
मत्संस्थाम् अधिगच्छति.
मत्संस्थाम् अधिगच्छति.
मत्संस्थाम् अधिगच्छति. युजन्नेवं सदात्मा. इदानीं सन्धिं का सन्धिः अस्ति एकं पदं स्वीकृत्य वदतु सन्धिः का इति.
युञ्जन् एवं
the minute you find the double of nakara you should know it is ngamudavaga. Idanimeva paditavantah na vayam. Atra pashyatu. Idanimeva paditavantah na. The minute you find the two double nakara, double nakara, immediately your mind should connect it to that. That is why they have given that shlokam. Yujannevam.
Yujannevam.
Sadatmanam. Atra kim ka sandhihi? Atra anuswara sandhihi. Sadatmanam iti makaram bhavati. That anuswaram it has come. Astu va? Tatra sadatmanam. Atra pashitu sadatmanam ayam iti padam atra bhavati chet atra makaraha bhavet. Yujanne evam sadatmanam ayam niyatamanasah. Instead of yogi, if you had the word ayam there, this nakara would have had that it would not have this anuswara, it will have the makara. यतः अयम् इति स्वरः न अत्र योगी इति भवति अतः अनुस्वारसन्धिः नियतमानसः शान्तिं
Swarah.
that is also अनुस्वारसन्धि
Nirvana parama. Anuswara. Massamstam adhigacchati.
अत्र सन्धिः न मत्संस्थाम् अधिगच्छति इति भवति. इम् प्लस् becomes मा. अत्र पश्यतु शान्तिं निर्वाणपरमां मत्संस्थां. शान्ति इति इकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्गपदम्. अतः निर्वाणपरमाम् इति all these are विशेषण for शान्ति. निर्वाणपरमां मत्संस्थां शान्तिम् इकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्गपदं द्वितीय एकवचने भवति. अतः एतत् सर्वं स्त्रीलिङ्गे द्वितीय एकवचने भवति. अस्तु वा?
Mahoday, is this Yunj, is it an sandhi? No. This Yunj is also a sandhi, no? Nyakara and Jakara here. Yunjan neva. Yunjan. That's not a sandhi, right?
No, Yunjan. Yunjan, that is actually Yunjan iti, Yunjat iti, from that it comes. Yunjat, and then it becomes Yunjan. Yunjat. No, Yunjat. See, Yunjat iti, tatra, that is a Shatru Pratyam. So that becomes Yunjan, then Evam. Like that. So another sandhi is involved, and then it becomes, I think there it becomes like, then Yunjan Evam, then it becomes. Actually, Yunjan is a Shatru Pratyam. Yunjat Pratipadikam. Gachan, we have read, no? Shatru Pratikam. Shatru Pratyam, we have read, no? So that is what it is.
Okay, no, I thought Yunj Nyakara, no? So that
No, but actually,
plus
no, that Ngamudagama, it doesn't. Ngamudagama has got only Nga, Na, and Na. And these are also not the same. This is Cha, Ja, Nya, the Panchama Varga of
Pancha. That rule doesn't apply here.
But this is the Triya Varga. This is Ja. It is not Yujjan. It is Yunjan. This is the Panchama Varna. This is the Tritiya Varna.
Okay.
So Yunjan iti Satru Pratyam. Normally Satru Pratyaya, it also is Gachan, Patan, Hasan. All these are Satru Pratyaya. We studied first lesson was Satru Pratyaya, isn't it? So everything, whatever you study, everything comes back. Everything. So the more you study, whatever you studied earlier, everything is there in that. So you should be able to connect. It is not that whatever we studied, that is gone and this is something new. So the old and new,
I thought the Yunj itself is a sandhi. That's what I was asking. No, that's not. It's just a word. Yunj.
That is how the word is formed. Say Gachan. So Gam Dhatu, from that the Satru Pratyaya is formed. You get the Gachat and then Gachan, the Pratama Ekavachan. See, the Pratipadikam is Gachat. Here also the Pratipadikam is Yunjat. We've studied, no? From how the Satru Pratyam is added. The Shatru, Ish, A plus Tru. That Ish also Lopaha, Ithanyakaha Bhavati, Tru Lopaha Bhavati. Only A is added. Then Gachat, it becomes Shatru. At is added. Gach, At is the Pratyam. That is the Pratipadikam. And then Gachan becomes the Pratama Ekavachanam. So Yunjan evam sadatmam yogi atmanam sada netamanasah yunjan saha shantim adhigacchati iti. Pashyamah, then you will understand that when you understand the meaning. So atra pashyatu idanim patitavati na Chitra Mahodaya yunjan evam sadatmanam yogi netamanasah Shantim Nirvana Paramam Matsamstam adhigacchati. Sarvatra pashyatu. Makaraha. Because they've broken it and they've shown you. Here the Anunasika Sandhi is there and here the original word. Astu va? So you should be able to recognize and keep it in your mind. So the minute you look at it, it should, like a photograph, it should flash in front of your mind. By this time, it should become a second nature for you. So niyata manasaha. Niyata manasaha yogi evam sada atmanam yunjan nirvana paramam matsamstam shantim adhigacchati. Shantim adhigacchati. Kidrisham shantim, kidrishim shantim, matsamstam shantim, punara kidrisham shantim, nirvana paramam, kaha yogi, kidrishaha yogi, yunjan yogi, kam munjan atmanam munjan, punah kidrishaha netamanashaha. Then adhigacchati is the verb there. Kaha adhigacchati, adhigacchati, kaha adhigacchati, kidrishaha yogi adhigacchati, kidrishaha yogi. Like that, when you start akanksha kramena anvayam kartum aram kurmaha, etad ekam prashnam vayam prashtva gachamaha. Atra prashitu. Anena prakarena nagrahita manasaha san. Atra prashitu. San iti tadapi satrupratyayam. Aster buhu sati asti sat. From sat is the pratipadikam. San santau santaha. Nagrihita manasaha san yaha atmanam dhyayet saha anandasya. Sorry, kim dattamasti. Ananda rupam mayi stitam samsara nasham prapnoti. Paramam nirvana paramam matsamstam mayi stitam. Atra pashyatu samsara nasham iti pullingaha. Ataha mayi stitam ati dattam. If the shantim iti bhavati chet mayi stita, mayi stitam shantim, nirvana paramam shantim, nirvana paramam. That is the equivalent letter, samsara nasham. So like last week we did, no? See? So this anena prakarena iti tatparya dattam asti. What is the equivalent word from the shloka? Now this one bhavati vadatu. Veena Mahoday bhavati vadatu. Anena prakarena iti dattam asti.
Anena prakarena.
What is the equivalent word? From the shloka, you tell me what is the word. Which word of the shloka means this anena prakarena? Which word? Evam.
Evam.
Like this. That is the meaning. Anena prakarena means in this manner. So, evam is the word. A for the word evam, the meaning given is anena prakarena. Astu va? Then, second word is nigrahita manasaha iti dattam asti. Tasya samana padam kim tatra shlokat. Nigrahita manasaha san.
Nitya manasaha.
Niyata manasaha.
Sorry, niyata manasaha.
Niyata manasaha. Nigrahita manasaha. One who has restrained his mind. Nigrahitam. Niyatam. To bring it under control. Astu va? Tadrishaha. Manushyaha. Nigrahita manasaha san. Atra pashyatu yujjan iti satru pratyaya dastamati. Ataha san iti. So then san yaha. So that you can say yogi. Yaha iti yoginam uddishya tad padam dattam asti. Yaha iti tatra yogi. Tasya vishaya. So, sadatmanam.
Mahodaye, yaha is yogi, san atmanam is sadatmanam yogi.
No. San iti atra pashyatu yujjan iti शत्रुप्रत्यये दत्तमस्ति किल दट् इस् योगी इस् डूयिङ्ग् सम्थिङ्ग् योगी युज्यन् किमपि करोति कार्यम् अतः अत्र अत्र किं दत्तमस्ति यः निगृहीतमानसः सन् आत्मानं ध्यायेत् सदात्मानं युज्यन् आत्मानं युज्यन् इति दत्तमस्ति किल आत्मानं कुत्रापि युज्यन् he connects himself to something that himself that something is not something outside that is within him only see that is finally the this thing of our whole what the scriptures teach us isn't it Advaita Vedanta everything is in you you have to go inside so yaha atmanam निगृहीत मानसः सन् आत्मानं ध्यायेत् इति दत्तमस्ति किल सदा योगी युज्यन् so that is why like that here also in the Chatru Pratyaya they have given that word but this is the overall meaning yogi yaha sadatmanam yujjan yaha atmanam nigrihita mahatmanah san dhyayet so dhyayet iti adhyahritam tatra kritam asti because to bring out the full meaning so tadrishah dhyayet iti दत्तम् अस्ति किल ध्यायेत् इति तस्य समान पदं तत्र श्लोके न अस्ति परन्तु टु ब्रिङ्ग् द ओवराल् मीनिङ्ग् आत्मानं युज्यन् योगी नियतमानसः योगी आत्मानं युज्यन् वेर् he puts his mind somewhere योजयति स्वस्य मनः केनापि सह योजयति that means ध्यायति he dwells upon something which is nothing outside which is within him so that is why the dhyayet is the word they have used so tadrishah yogi saha yogi so this yaha saha see yaha dattam asti kila so whenever that yaha is there somewhere that yaha saha will come like in English also one who those who do this like that you know that yaha saha yat tat ya sa yani tani and everything ena tena yasya tasya yasmat tasmat yasmai tasmai like that you know everything it comes as a pair of words so when the yaha is there that saha is not far behind somewhere soon it will come so tadrishah yogi saha so pratamam saha etat karyam karoti atmanam युज्यन् सः नेतमानसः सन् योगी आत्मानं योजयति आत्मानं ध्यायति you can say so the first is the karyam he does and what happens the result what does he get phalam kim tadrishah yogi nirvana paramam matstam shantim adigacchati he gets something what does he get he gets that shanti where is that shanti
Ananda Rupam.
Ananda Rupam. So, Nirvana Paramam Chantim Matstitam Samsara Nasham. Nirvana Param. Nirvana is, you know, you get mukti from this whole bondage of samsara. Tadrishim Shantim. Where is that Shanti? Matsam Sam. See, Lord Krishna says that Shanti is in him. Mayi Stitam संसारनाशम आनंद रूपम मयि स्थितम् इति एतत् सर्वं पुल्लिङ्गे भवति अतः मयि स्थितम् इति अर्थे दत्तम् अस्ति परन्तु श्लोके शान्तिम् इति स्त्रीलिङ्गे भवति अतः निर्वाण परमां परमां मीन्स् द हायेस्ट देयर इज नथिंग ग्रेटर देन दैट मत्संस्थां शान्तिम् अधिगच्छति he comes to that he obtains means what he becomes that finally yad bhavam tad bhavati what you feel what you want to achieve you become that is the final reunion no? Our scriptures say that is the thing astu va so
prapnoti is adigacchati
ekam So Ananda Rupam. So you can say
Shantim.
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 Mm.
Mayi Sthitam is Mat Samstam.
Samstam.
And Samsara Nasham is Nirvana Paramam.
Nirvana Parama.
And Prapnoti
is Adhigachati.
Adhigachati.
So hereafter, every time when a meaning is given, you should be able to correlate.
Connect with the words.
What is the word given in the meaning? What is the corresponding word in the original shlokam? So when you connect that, then you will know. In the original shlokam, tatra the pashitu tatra strilinge bhavati paramam shantim samsantam parantu atra anandrupam iti kimartam dattam asti mayi sthitam iti kimartam dattam. So samsara nasham. That samsara nasham is that samsara nasham mayi sthitam, that ananda rupam. Shanti iti tatra strilinge bhavati, parantu that is ananda rupinam. That vastu is in the form of ananda. So tatra pullinge bhavati. Atha sarvam pullinge dattamasti. Like that you should be able to correlate. Astu va? So that takes you to the next level of understanding, and you can do it on your own. You don't even need any guide. Once you are able to break it down like this, it comes on your own. You are able to immediately connect why this vibhakti is used, why this lingam is used, like that. Astu va? Shishila Mahodaya bhavati padtu. Anyat
Naguni guni veti guni guneshu matsari guni cha gunaragi cha viralaha saralo janaha.
Guni cha gunaragi, not gunaragi, gunaragi.
Gunaragi.
Punarekavaram patatu.
Naguni gunin veti
Guninam veti.
Guninam. Naguni guninam veti guni gunishu matsari guni cha gunaragi cha viralaha saralo janaha.
Astu va? Now you padachedam krutva punarekavaram patatu.
Na guni.
Na guni va?
Na aguni. Na aguni.
Savarna dirgha sandhi tatra. Na aguni.
Guninam anuswara sandhi.
You first break and read, and then we will go look at each word and look at the sandhis and all. Astu va?
Na aguni guninam veti guni gunishu matsari.
Gunishu matsari.
Gunishu matsari. Guni cha gunaragi cha viralaha saralaha janaha.
So now you start telling me all the sandhis.
Na aguni I'm sorry. Savarna dirgha sandhi.
Na aguni savarna dirgha sandhi.
Sandhi. Then guninam is anuswara sandhi. Then saralo janaha visarga sandhi.
Visargasya ukara then gunaha. Samanyartha asta pashitu. Patatu.
Dushto janaha sajjanam na avagacchati. Ekaha guni anyam guninam drishtva irsham anubhavati.
Irshyam anubhavati.
Irsyam anubhavati. Guni cha gunaragi cha iti etadrishaha janaha loke durlabhavah
eva. So are you able to understand the meaning of it from the Samanyartha Dattamasti? Now we will do this exercise. Ekam padam Samanyartha Dattamasti kila. Tataha ekam padam svikritya tasya samana padam shloke kim bhavati iti vadatu.
Okay. Dushto janaha na aguni.
Na dushto janaha is aguni.
Dushto janaha is aguni.
Then
Aguni.
Ah.
Dushto Janaha is only Aguni.
Aguni.
Not na Aguni. You should not use na there. Then Sajjanam is Guninam is.
So when see Guni means Guni means one who's got good qualities. Aguni means Dushtaha Janaha. Astu va? So Guninam is Guni is that Gunin Shabda, Nakaranta Shabda it is. That is why Guni, Guninau, Guninaha, Guninam, Aguni iti bhavati kala. Aguni, Guni. Guni, Aguni. Guni is a good man. Dushtaha Sadhu Janaha Guni. Aguni is Dushtaha Janaha. Astu va? So Guni, Nakarant Shabdaha. Guni, Guninau, Guninaha, Guninam. Dvitiya Ekavachanam. Aguni, Guninam. Guninam means a good person.
Good person.
So it is Dvitiya Ekavachanam. So Dushtaha Janaha Sajjanam. Iti tatra Dvitiya Ekavachane dattam kila. So Guninam iti Dvitiya Ekavachane. Parantu Guni iti Nakaranta Shabdaha. Ataha Guni, Guninau, Guninaha, Guninam. Sajjanam. Sajjanaha, Sajjanau, Sajjanaha, Sajjanam. So Sajjanam, Guninam. Then na is na. Then Avagachati.
Avagachati. Matsari.
No. Avagachati is Veti. With.
Veti. Okay. Understand.
Veti is Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam.
Okay, Ekavachanam.
Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. Dushtaha Janaha na avagachati. Dushtaha Janaha kam atava kim na avagachati. Dushtaha Janaha Sajjanam. Atra Sajjanam iti vayam janimah. Atra Dushtaha Janaha kam na avagachati. Dushtaha Janaha Sajjanam na avagachati. Tadrishameva Aguni Guninam na veti. Aguni Guninam na veti. That is the first part. 4 padas of the slokas are there. So Anantaram, second one. Next Ekaha. You read that and tell me the corresponding word.
Ekaha Guni is Guni. Then Anyam Guni. Gunishu is Anyam Guninam.
Atra they have not actually Gunishu iti vibhakti.
Gunishu is a Saptami.
Saptami Bahuvachanam. Ekaha Guni. Atra Aguni iti na dattam asti. Prathamam vakyam Aguni iti tasya vishaya vadati. Parantu atra Aguni iti na dattam asti. Atra Guni iti dattam asti. So he may be a good man. Parantu tasya swabhavaha kaha. Anyam guninam drushtva irsham anubhavati. Guni, gunishu matsari. Gunishu, sajjaneshu. You can say sajjaneshu. So, saha prakatikaroti. Kim prakatikaroti matsari iti tatra. Dattamasti. You can adhyahritam krutva ham vaktum shakyate. Matsari prakatikaroti. He displays jealousy. He shows jealousy. Matsari is jealous. Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Matsarya. We know, no? The Shadripuhu. Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Matsarya. Matsaryam is jealous. Matsari. Matsarya Sabaho Matsari. So Guni, Gunishu, Matsari. Matsari means here, it's an adjective. Matsarin, that is also Nakaranta. Pullinga eva. Like Guni, that is also Matsari. Matsari, Matsarinau, Matsarina. Guni iti Nakaranta. Matsari api Nakaranta Pullinga eva. So Guni, Gunishu, Matsari. A good, even if he is a good person. First statement says about bad people. Aguni, Guninam, na veti. So a bad person does not recognize a good person. But a good person, even if he is a good person, he is jealous of other good people. Astuva? These are the type of people living in the world. So Anyam Guninam Drushtva Irshyam Anubhavati. Atava Irshyam Prakati Karoti. He displays jealousy. He feels jealous. He shows jealousy towards other good people.
Good
Anantaram
people.
vadatu. Then
Guni-
what is the next?
Gunicha Gunaragi is same thing is given.
The same
Gunicha
thing.
Gunaragi. Viralaha Durlabaha.
Viralaha.
Saralo Janaha.
Gunicha Gunaragi Saralo Janaha cha Viralaha. So that type of person is Virala is very rare. Rare. Virala, the word means rare.
Rare.
So what does it say? In this world, that is how the people are. There are bad people. So they don't recognize good people. And there are good people, but they show jealousy towards other good people. So, Gunicha Gunaragicha, a person who is Guni. Gunaragi is who admires the good qualities in others. Tadrishaha Janaha. He has to be good and he has to be appreciative of the good qualities of others. Tadrishaha Janaha Loke Viralaha. Tadrishaha Saralaha. He is the very easy. Sarala means easy. Easy going. The minute a person is happy with the others, everything is easy for him. Life is easy. We make life complicated by becoming angry, by becoming jealous, by showing all these negative emotions. If these emotions are removed from us, life is a cakewalk. It's very easy. I mean, everybody can be happy. The world is so big. There is a place for everybody. Everybody can thrive. Everybody can live happily. But what prevents all these bad qualities? Isn't it? So he becomes a very easy to approach. He is a Saralaha Janaha. He is one amongst us, very easy to approach, very easy to handle. Tadrishaha Janaha, Viralaha. They are very rare. That is why there is a lot of turmoil in the world. That is what it says.
Gunaragi means
Gunaragi is the one, who that is also Nakaranta Pullinga. Gunaragi who appreciates the good in others, who recognizes the good in others and who appreciates, who is happy. Yeah. He is Tadrishaha Jana. He is good also. So the second part talks about good man. First part talks about a bad man. But good man is no better than the bad man. Bad man doesn't recognize the good people. But the good man also, he is jealous of the good people. So he is no better than the other one. He is as good as a bad man only. Because when all this is stripped of him, he is stripped of all these negative qualities, he becomes a guni, he is a true guni. Gunaragi, tadrishaha saralaha janaha, viralaha, asmin loke, viralaha.
Very deep, Shubhashita Mahoday. Very deep. This is very deep.
Very deep. In simple words, they've said it, no?
Yeah, words are simple, but the Tatparyam very deep.
That's what I'm saying. Simple words, they've conveyed a very, very heavy subject. I know. But the whole essence of it, life is, we can learn. If we can follow it. Atra pada vicheda.
That second line is very beautiful.
Very nice. And the words are also aptly Viralaha, Saralaha, Gunicha, Gunaragi. See, that is what the poetry, the poetry in people. That's what the poets are and we are we. At least we are able to appreciate the poetry, understand it and appreciate it, no? We should be happy for that. All of us cannot aspire to poetry. Some will write the poetry and some of us will enjoy it. So our enjoyment is as good as their enjoyment. They enjoy making it. We enjoy enjoying it.
That the Gunisha Masari and the Na Guni both are same only.
That is all. See, when you are jealous of others, you are not a Guni. You are as good as a Guni only. So, Atra Pashitu, Padavichede, Tatra Pashitu, Na Guni, Vayam Drishtavantaha. We have all seen it already. Isn't it? Nowadays, I don't even show this, but you are able to say it. Previously, I used to show and ask you to read. Nowadays, I don't show. You say everything and then I come to the slide. That means you are able to make out all the words on your own and also understand the meaning much better. Krishnan Mahoday, welcome. You can read the next line.
Okay.
व्याकरणांशः पश्यतु.
व्याकरणांशः
Hmm.
अगुणी
Hmm.
गुणी गुणरागी
Hmm.
मत्सरी
Hmm.
अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्गः
अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गे गुणिन् शब्दः मत्सरिन् शब्दः.
गुणिन् शब्दः गुणिन् शब्दः मत्सरीन् शब्दः प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनम्.
Actually, this is also a pratyam. This is, I think matu pratyam, I think. Sorry, I don't remember. Gunam asya asti iti guni. Matsaryam asya asti iti matsari. Actually, my name is also like that. Hemam asyaha asti iti hemavati. One who has that meaning, to give that meaning, you know. So gunavan. So gunavan is guna, that is also there. So guni. So tadrisa, that type of a meaning it gives. One who has got this. Matsaryam asti ati is the matsari. So
Matsari.
that's that type of a pratyam.
What is that meaning? Hemam asti, that.
One who has got gold. Hema is gold.
Okay.
Actually, there are two words. One is Haimavati. Haimavati is Himavataha Putri, Parvati. Himavan is mountain, no? Himavan mountain, Himalaya mountain. So Parvati is his daughter, no? Parvatasya apatyam stri Parvati, athava Himavataha apatyam stri Haimavati. That is Haimavati. From Hima is snow. So that is Haimavati. But my name is not Haimavati. My name is Hemavati. Hemam. Hema is gold. Himam is snow. Hema is gold.
Our Rishikesh Ashramam, that Devi name is Haimavati.
Haimavati. Yeah, that is Parvati only. Himavataha apatyam stri Haimavati. But there is difference between Hemavati and Himavati. Hemavati is not Parvati. Hemavati is just one who's got gold. So Haimavati is Himavataha apatyam stri. Hima is snow. So Himavan is one who is the snow clad. So Himalaya mountain is snow clad mountain, isn't it? So she is his daughter. Parvatasya apatyam stri. That is also Parvati. Himavataha apatyam stri. Haimavati. Then Hemam asyaha asti iti Hemavati. Hemavati and Haimavati are different. You must understand all this. That Hima becomes Adi Vriddhi happens, so the Hima becomes Haima. So Dasharathasya Patnyam Puman Dasharatihi. So then there is Vasudevasya Patnyam Puman Vasudevaha. So sometimes in shlokas where we should say Vasudeva, we say Vasudeva. Vasudeva is the father, Vasudeva is the son, Krishna. Vasudeva is the father. So Vasudeva and Vasudeva are not the same. So Adi Vriddhi it becomes Vasudevasya apatyam puman Vasudevaha. That verb becomes Va. So that refers to the son. Dasharathasya apatyam puman Dasharatihi. Kuroho apatyam pumamsaha Kauravaha. Who becomes Kau? Dasharatha becomes Dasharatha. Vasudeva becomes Vasudeva. So when that apatya, that meaning comes, you know, the son, lineage, then the Adi Vriddhi happens. So sometimes, you know, instead of saying Vasudeva, we say Vasudeva. Vasudeva refers to the father, Vasudeva refers to the son. So look at the beauty of Sanskrit language. Just that one matra difference brings out the whole world of difference in the meaning. That is the beauty of Sanskrit language. And how words are derived. So how beautifully, I mean, when you look at all this in etymology, how the word happens, you feel so excited. Every word you look, no, you want to look, what could be the original word of that? Everything is from something. Everything is not independent. It is from something. So you go on trying to look at what could be the original word like that, you know, that curiosity you have to develop. You have to kindle that curiosity and you have to start looking. That is, then you will enjoy the language much more. It becomes a pleasure, to study. So, Krishan Mahoday Bhavan Patatu, Guninam.
गुणिनं नकारान्त पुल्लिङ्गः गुणिन् शब्दः द्वितीया विभक्ति एकवचनम्
अत्र पश्यतु गुणी गुणिनौ गुणिनः गुणिनं गुणिनौ गुणिनः गुणिना गुणिभ्यां गुणिभिः गुणिने गुणिभ्यां गुणिभ्यः गुणिनः गुणिभ्यां गुणिभ्यः गुणिनः गुणिना गुणिनः गुणिनां गुणिनोः गुणिना गुणौ गुणोः गुणिषु. See, there afterwards you get this word gunishu. Nakaranta pullinga. Actually, but that's Saptami it is. They were given
Saptami Bahuvachanam.
Saptami, that is wrong. Sushila Mahodaya, I have a lot of corrections to make. I've not been able to see.
I have also not given it to you last time.
Please give it. I will find time because because of my this eye problem and my health problem, I'm not able to look at the computer and do a lot of typing work. So, but this Sashti Ekavachanam is wrong. Sashti Ekavachanam will be Guninaha. Guninaha. Guninaha, Guninoho, Guninam, Guninau, Guninoho, Gunishu, He Guni, He Guninau, He Guninaha. Astuva Nakaranta Pullinga. So, in this sloka itself, you get 3 different vibhaktis. Prathama vibhaktiyam api asti, Dvitiya vibhaktiyam api asti, Saptami vibhaktiyam api asti. Astuva?
वेति वेति विद् धातु परस्मैपदी लट् लकार प्रथम पुरुष एकवचनं गुणिषु नकारान्त पुल्लिङ्गः सप्तमी विभक्ति बहुवचनं विरलः सरलः जनः अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग विरल सरल जन शब्दः प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनं च न अव्ययम् प्रतिपदार्थः अगुणी सद्गुणरहितः
अत्र पश्यतु aguni. You can say gunarahitah. See, normally guna means anything you just say, it refers to the positive side. So for the negative one, you just add a. I think Vijaya Mahodaya also that Naintat Purusha Naisamasam. So she had see how what interesting information she shares. They're all treasures. You keep them all starred and look at them, read them very carefully. I think she's taking extra trouble to bring out a lot of things. I think whatever she knows, she wants to share. Amazing lady. I really like the way she sends up a lot of information. Dadeva, Tadrishimeva. So, Sadguna Rahitaha. You can say Guni means you can say Sadguna Sahitaha. Rahitaha, Sahitaha. Rahita is mean bereft of, devoid of. Sahita means one who is with, one who has got. See, just in Sanskrit, see, Rahita and Sahita. One letter only difference. But just the opposite meaning you get. So, how much of this thing you get? Pattu, Krishan Mahodaya, Bhavan Pattu.
Guninam Sadguna Yuktam.
Sadguna Yuktam, Sadguna Sahitam, Sadguna Yuktam, Sahitam.
Veti Janati Guni Gunayuktaha Swayam Gunayuktaha.
Atra Sadguna Yuktam is Guninam. So, Gunayuktaha. Sadgunayuktaha, Tadrishaha, Manushyaha.
Gunishu Sadhu Vritteshu. Sadhu Vritteshu. Matsari Ishya Yuktaha.
Atra Pashiddu Gunayuktaha. Atra Ishya Yuktaha. Matsarya Yuktaha also you can say. Matsaryam is the word. Matsarasya bhavaha Matsaryam. And Matsari is the person. Matsaryam is the quality. Matsarasya bhavaha Matsaryam. Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Matsarya. We know Shadripus. These are the 6 enemies. The basic we have learned. So from that Matsara, Matsaryam comes, and Matsari. Matsari is the person who is jealous. So Irshya Yukta. Irshya is the word. Irshya. You have to look at that. Irshya. Then Patatu Mahode.
गुणरागी अन्येषां गुणानां प्रशंसकः.
Anyesham gunanam prashamsakah. Prashamsade. He appreciates. He lauds the good quality in others. Gudaragi tadrishaha manushyaha.
विरलः दुर्लभः. सरलः निष्कपटः.
Nishkapata. Atra pashitu ni iti. That is also a negative this thing. Prefix. The minute ni comes, that means it is not there.
Not there.
So, nishpapaha, in whom there is no sin. Nirgataha papaha yasmat. Nishpapam karma. That karma is devoid of sin. Astu va? Nishpapam karma. Karma iti napumsakalingam. Ataha nishpapam karma iti am vadami. Atra pase nishkapataha. So the minute ni is added, that also shows from that what the word comes afterward, that is removed. Nishkapataha means from which kapata, that kapatatvam is removed. Tadrisha manushya nishkapataha, nishpapaha. Like that, that the minute that ni upasargam comes, you should be able to get that. It is devoid of, deprived of, like that. Janaha.
Janaha, lokah, manushyaha, pamara.
Pamara. Astu. Idani Sushila Mahode Bhavati Patatu.
Kriyapadam Veti Bhavati. Prathama Aguni Guni Gunaragi Viralaha.
This Bhavati iti Adhyahritam. The second sentence. Veti is from the first sentence. That verb is there. Parantu Saralaha Viralaha Tadrishajana Bhavati iti you have to Adhyahritam Karanima. Ataha it is given in the bracket. Prathama Vadatu.
Prathama Aguni Guni Gunaragi Viralaha Saralaha Janaha Matsari Ditiya Guninam Saptami Gudishu. Here they have
given it correct.
Avyayam na cha.
Idani vadatu Akanksha Kramena Anvayah vadatu.
Veti Kriyapadam. Kaha na veti?
Okay. Actually, Kriyapadam we can say take it as na veti. Then you write it as na veti, and then you ask the question.
Kaha na veti aguni. Aguni.
Na veti. They have taken na veti as Kriyapadam. Kaha na veti aguni.
Kaha na veti.
Aguni.
Then Guninam, no.
So the answer has to be Guninam. So what should be the question?
So, Kam
or kam?
Kam aguni.
Kam na veti Guninam. Because you know the answer is Guninam. So if Kim is Napumsakalingam. I mean, you can ask Kim na veti. But since already you know that the answer is going to be a pullinga word, you can say Kam na veti. Aguni, Guninam, na veti. Okay. Then
Guni.
Then you take the second word, Bhavati. Yeah.
1 second. Then Bhavati. Kaha na Bhavati?
Second sentence doesn't
Bhavati,
end
no?
it as na Bhavati. It says Bhavati. Viralaha Bhavati. Bhavati iti eva Bhavati. Astu va? Kaha Bhavati? You can ask.
Guni Gunishu, no? The word. So,
Kaha Bhavati. Okay.
Guni is 3. Okay. Guni.
See, तादृशः मनुष्यः विरलः भवति. विरलः, सरलः are all, visheshanas.
Okay.
But the subject, viralaha, so you can say, guni, gunaragi, viralaha bhavati.
No,
So,
this guni
kaha
is
bhavati, guni.
Vikarana. Mahodaya, this guni is pullinga only.
Guni, na. Nakaranta
Pullinga
pullinga pratama ekavachanam. Guni, guninau, guninaha.
Vikaranta.
We just now
Okay.
read, no? Nakaranta pulling. Gunin
Guni.
shabdaha. Pratipadikam is gunin. Pratama eka vibhakti is guni. Guni, guninau,
Okay.
guninaha.
Guni is okay.
So, kaha bhavati
Okay.
guni. Yeah.
Then Kesh. Then you have to use gunishu, right?
No, then one more. See, guni, then one more pratama vibhakti, one more word is there. Gunaragi.
Gunaragi.
So,
then Kidrisha guni.
punaha kidrisha guni. Okay. Oh, here they have. Okay. Oh, the second sentence. Sorry. Bhavati kaha bhavati guni. Guni bhavati kidrisha guni. Matsari.
Matsari guni.
Okay. Matsari.
Idara matsari, then janaha. Kaha.
No. Second sentence. Guni gunishu matsari. Guni gunishu matsari bhavati. So we have taken bhavati as adhyakartam. Bhavati, guni bhavati, guni kidrisham bhavati, kidrishaha guni, matsari guni. Then one more word is left, gunishu. So
gunishu, keshu
matsari bhavati, keshu matsari, gunushu matsari. So that finishes the second statement. Now come to the third statement. Again, you have to, for this also, you have to do the adhyakartam of bhavati. Astu va?
1 second.
And Sushila, Veena Mahoday bhavati vadatu.
Bhavati. Again, kaha bhavati. Gunaragi.
Kaha bhavati.
Viralaha.
So, okay. Viralaha bhavati. Then again.
Kaha viralaha bhavati. Janaha viralaha bhavati.
Then.
Kidrisha janaha.
Kidrisha janaha.
Janaha saralaha. Punaha kidrisha janaha guni.
Then.
Punaha kidrisha janaha gunaragi.
Gunaragi. Then what is the word left now? Guni, gunaragi, viralaha, saralaha. In that, what is left? Viralaha. So I think that all the words are covered.
I think all the words are covered.
All good.
So kaha bhavati, viralaha bhavati. Kaha viralaha bhavati, janaha viralaha bhavati. Kidrisha janaha saralaha janaha bhavati. Punah kidrisha jana guni saralaha guni janaha viralaha bhavati. Punah kidrisha jana gunaragi guni saralaha janaha viralaha bhavati. So that finishes all the words. So you understood. So now this Akanksha Kramena Anvaya Lekanam must have become quite easy for you now, isn't it?
Yes, we are able to understand quite well.
This is a bit difficult to
Much
do,
better.
I think.
No, it is difficult, but you have to collect your thoughts. You have to, that is why this is very important. Vibhakti wise writing it. Then you will be able to, a little here and there adjustment happens, but that comes naturally once you start analyzing. So the more you read, the more you understand, then you will be able to do it better. Astu va? So I think that finishes. Next week also we'll do one more Sandhi, and I think how many more? We have to Purva Savarna Sandhi, Visarga Sandhi, and Latva Sandhi. Then Bhagavad Gita shlokas. Then after that, I don't think I will have time to go through the other. There are so many other small things in the book. which you may have to read on your own, because we are supposed to finish the portion by this month, I believe. I don't know. And since I do not know when I will get my eyes surgery done and all that, so I'll try to do as much as possible. Afterwards, suppose there is a break of 1 or 2 weeks, I can just tell them I have finished the course. Then we can still, I will ask them to keep the thing available. We will do some revision, whatever is possible. Like, any of you are enrolling for the exam?
I may do
Yeah,
it.
even they've not yet announced anything. No?
They've
What
not
is-
announced. Okay, I don't know how the whole thing goes. Okay, anyway, I'll say the prayers, then we will. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कच्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः. हरिः ॐ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದः ಮಹೋದಯೇ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಮಹೋದಯ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.